Hello, in this video I will show you how to import and install the indicators from Advantage Trading. Let's say you are ordering a free trial for reversal dots. You provide your customer number, you provide your network ID, hit order, and then the next day you will receive an invitation email saying that you simply need to download two zip files. One zip file consists of indicators, manuals, and workspaces, and then the second zip file is this is a DLL file with our distribution system. This DLL file simply checks if your customer number is on the list of customers that are allowed to use this particular indicator, nothing more. And then both these files are protected with the password. Once you download it, the DLL files need to be placed in C Windows sys WOW64, and then the indicators you will import from LED file into your TradeStation. And after you do all this, you simply either choose our workspace or fire up the chart and use the radar screen or the indicators the way you like it. Let's go. 1 second. Remember to copy the password because they both protected. I use 7-zip, but no matter what you use, simply click extract. 1 is done. Second is done. So let's check the trading external first. There's only one file in here. You just copy it, go to Windows. It's C Windows and look for sys WOW64 right here, and you simply paste it. This is done, and then go back to your downloads and see what's in your reversal package. So you have two workspaces, one for TradeStation 9.5, the second one is for TradeStation 10.0, LED file with the indicators, and the PDF with the manual, and the link to our to our DLL file in case you missed it. Okay, so now we can go to TradeStation. We do go to File, Import Export Easylanguage, import Easylanguage file from LED, hit Next. You either browse it or you can simply copy this path, paste, and it'll take you there even quicker. Choose the Easylanguage file. Next. There's indicator and show me in this package. Next. Show me indicator and indicator. Finish. And you're done. You already have your the DLL file. The indicators are in your TradeStation. So now you can choose if you like to use our workspace. If you do, simply open it, and you're good to go. The other indicators, you do the same thing, and once you have this DLL file copied into your computer, You don't have to do it again. The DLL file is the same for all other indicators. So if you want to add to, let's say, to your reversal dots, or go to for trading package, which is the entire pack of the indicators, including the reversal dots, then you just simply follow the TradeStation step, the import LED, and then you go from there. All right, thanks.